Hello there. Welcome back to AI Copywriting Tools. Today, I'm taking you on a proper deep dive into ElevenLabs. Now, things have changed a bit recently. The platform we're looking at today is now officially called Eleven Creative. This is where all the artistic tools live, as opposed to 11 Agents, which is their more technical, agentic side. I've been busy making tutorials for almost every feature on this sidebar lately. My goal today is to give you a perfect snapshot of what you can actually achieve here. I'll show you the tools and some of the cool bits I've built myself. If any specific feature catches your eye, check the description. I've linked my dedicated tutorials for each one down there. Right now, we're starting in the Image and Video tab. This is the Explore feed, and it's brilliant for inspiration. You can see what everyone else is making. If you see something amazing, just click it. You can see the exact prompt they used and copy it with one click. Most of these are powered by Nano Banana Pro, which is Google's heavy hitter for AI images right now. From here, you can upscale an image, recreate it, or even use it as a reference for your next project. You can even turn a static image into a lip-sync video or a full animation. When you go to Use as Reference, it pops into this main dialog box. This is the heart of the platform. If I head over to my history, you can see my recent work, like the thumbnail I made for my last video. In the Video tab, we're using the VO model. This is Google's main video generator, and it's clever. You can pick a start frame and an end frame, and the AI fills in the motion between them. You've got full control over the aspect ratio, resolution, and duration, usually between 4 to 8 seconds. Though I should warn you, that does cost a fair few more credits. Choosing models is easy. Just look at the bottom left. Whether you're doing images or video, you can filter for what you need. Want something realistic? There's a filter for that. Need to upscale or edit an existing image? They've got specific models for that too. If you're in a rush, pick the fast models. They're usually much cheaper on the budget. I've been experimenting loads lately. I've made everything from robots fighting in different art styles to clean infographics for self-defense videos. The quality is honestly top tier. Moving up the menu, let's talk about the Home tab and Voices. This is where you can find pre-made voices or create your own from scratch. There are two main ways to make a voice. You can describe it with a text prompt or clone a real voice entirely. I've got tutorials on both of those if you're curious. My own custom voices are all saved right here in my library. Then we have the big one, text-to-speech. This is what ElevenLabs is famous for. You pick your voice, type your text, and you're good to go. Here's a massive pro tip most people miss. Check the models. ElevenLingual V2 is the standard, but the V2.5 model is 50% cheaper. If you're producing a massive audiobook or a long-form narration, that's going to save you a fortune. Even though the standard model is only 1 credit per character, it adds up quickly if you're doing tens of thousands of words. They're always adding new bits too. I noticed a voice changer and a voice isolator just popped up a few days ago. I haven't even had time to make tutorials for those yet. My honest opinion? ElevenLabs is easily one of the best content platforms out there, but more importantly, it's the best value. I'm on the creator plan for $22 a month, but you can get your first month for just $11. That gives me 100,000 credits, which is plenty for my business and these videos. If you're just starting, there's a starter plan for $5. But here's the best part. You get 10,000 credits every single month without even giving them a credit card. You can't use the free stuff for commercial work, but it's perfect for testing every single tool to see if it fits your workflow before you spend a penny. We've also got sound effects and a music generator. The music is great fun to play with, but if you look at the Explore tab, you'll see what the pros are doing. Some of the tracks people are making with complex prompts are genuinely mind-blowing. Then there are templates. These are basically pre-baked prompts. If you want to change a background or shift a facial expression, these save you so much time. Finally, we've got the projects section. The video editor is still a bit of a work in progress, so I won't linger there. But the audiobook tool, that's a proper game changer. In the standard generator, your cap, which is barely 1,000 words. If you're tackling a whole novel, this tool is built specifically for the long haul. It makes the whole process so much smoother. And that's the lot. A quick tour of the new 11 Creative platform. If this helped you out, give the video a like and hit subscribe to join us here at AI Copywriting Tools. Check the description for those deep dive tutorials, and I've popped my affiliate link down there if you're ready to sign up for ElevenLabs for free. Using that really supports everything we do here at AI Copywriting Tools.